Assalamu alaikum na wamukire ngeithi citu cia mwanya mwiroreri witu mwende wa ceceni eno ya Gikuyu TV ni muthenya ungi mwega wa tariki 12 mweri turi wa kanyua hungu na ni mwihoko akwa ati no githiete na mbere na kwegecura thiini wa ngengecua cia ceceni eno yaku ya mwanya twoka hatukumenyithia gikunjo gitu kia mohoro ma hwaini wa umuthi thiini wa gikunjo gitu kia mohoro ma Gikuyu TV weekend mamwe mare tukuhaririirie ni ati munene wa borithi guku kaunti ya Nairobi kuga ati ndaramenyithitio ciegi mucemanio wa kiuteti ni muungano wa NASA na mwandiki mukaru KIAMA-INI KNUT Wilson Sosioni kuga ati gutire na njatukano thiini wa kiama giki KNUT na mutumia umwe kuria kaunti-ini ya Homa Bay gutanahirwo na ciana ithano rucine rwa muthenya wa umuthi macio no mamwe ma maria nguhaririirie mwiroreri wakwa mwende ni ritu riakwa njitagwo Sam Moirori na ngemutaurite na njira ciko etagwo Susan Nyiha ni turacokereria na macio na mangi maingi. Mwekwe mweri tutonyerera gikunjo gitu kia mohoro ma hwaini wa umuthi munene wa borithi guku kaunti-ini ya Nairobi Japheth Kome ni amenereirie ngwataniro ya NASA ni undu wa gubanga mucemanio wa kiuteti kuria kiwanja-ini kia Jacaranda Ground mucii wa Nairobi matamenyithitie honge cia ugitiri kuringana na uria gatiba yugite. Kome ni ahianite mukana kuri ateti guku bururi-ini ni undu wa kwaga gutia gatiba ya bururi wa Kenya na kuga ati mundu wothe ungiuma kihoto giake hindi ya mucemanio wa kiuteti no akorwo akiuria ruhonge rwa maabitha a borithi gukorwo makioera makinya kiama giki kia kiuteti.
I've heard there are some people who have called for a meeting within Jacaranda grounds. That is somewhere in Israel. They have not notified the police. And this is the law. Chapter 56, Laws of Kenya. And would like everybody to be, every citizen of this country to be law-abiding. This act is the law of this country. It's an act of parliament stating clearly on anybody who has intention to have a public, any meeting, any gathering, any procession, clearly stated here, you notify the local OCS. You must notify the local OCS and tell that OCS where you will have your meeting. If it's a procession, the route you are going to use. If it's a demonstration, the route you are going to use, so that police can provide with the security. But now, when you people from the media tell me this afternoon we are going to have a meeting, somebody is holding a meeting, a public gathering at Jacaranda grounds, you have not notified the police. Why do you want to break the law?
Turi hauciigie mucemanio cio wa muungano wa NASA ni ati muthenya wa umuthi atongoria muungano-ini uyu wa NASA ario Musalia Mudavadi na Moses Wetangula ni matongoririe arumireria muungano wa NASA mucemanio-ini wa kiuteti kiwanja-ini kia Jacaranda Ground kuria mwena wa Embakasi East kaunti ya Nairobi. Hindi ya mucemanio uyu atongoria ni mathiete na mbere na guthingereria thirikari ya Jubilee ikorwo igitikira githurano kingi gitafanio mwaka-ini twerekeire guku makiuga ati no meguthie na mbere na bunge ta ici cia Kamukunji. Kugina kuwa mwandiki mukaru wa kiama kia arutani guku bururi-ini no ria ningi nowe mubunge wa Mwamure Wilson Sosioni riu ni akanite ati ni kuri na njatukano gatagati-ini gake na muikariri giti wa kiama giki kia KNUT niwe Munzo Nziri. Sosioni uria wamurirwo ni kiama kia ODM riu oigite ati ucio ni muhuhu na nduri na uma na gutiri afitha munene thiini wa kiama giki kia KNUT utigithitio wira toria gukoretwo gukirikana.
And I would like to allay the fears that there is a split in the union. There is no split. In fact, there is a lot of constitutional order. And I invite the Kenyan public to watch Kenya National Union of Teachers between now and mid of December. The manner in which the teachers conduct their businesses, The 60th Annual Delegates Conference shall be held in Mombasa between the dates of 13th, 14th, 15th of December. We shall be celebrating the 60th anniversary of KNUT, and it's going to be a colorful event, the most successful event. And why we took it to Mombasa is because the outgoing national chairman shall be bid farewell by the delegates on that particular day. And this decision was taken 1 year ago. We shall also be celebrating 50 years of Teacher Service Commission, Golden Jubilee. And you remember too well that the Teacher Service Commission exists through the struggle of teachers of this country, that it was formed in 1967 through 2 strikes by teachers. And so, its Golden Jubilee is a major milestone for the teachers of this country and the teaching profession. So those are 2 activities that we'll have in the ADC. And prior to that, we shall have a National Executive Council retreat this week in Mombasa.
Gavashia mwanya mwiroreri witu mwende we othiete na mbere na gutwarana na ithuro wega tukwamba gwikirio rohani ni twambe turihe biro na ndugacembie mwiroreri wako mwende hamwe ni turacokereria na gikunjo kingi kia mohoro angikorwo hena undu ungienda kumenyithia metha itu ya mohoro riri hihi urahanika hau hanyu no ugitwandikire na ndumiriri nguhi kuri namba itu ya ethemethi ni 0721 89311 kana nenda-ini citu cia kiriu mutambo-ini wa Facebook ni Gikuyu Television wa Twitter TV _ Gikuyu ni turacokereria tugathi haraya.